How to create a YouTube channel in mobile. In this video, I will guide you step by step, just make sure to watch till the end. Creating a professional YouTube channel is super simple and easy. First of all, open up your YouTube app. Then tap on this profile icon here in the bottom right corner. Here you can see the option is Create a Channel. Tap on it. First, update your profile of your channel. You can choose random picture, also you can change it after creating. Then type your channel name. It must be unique and responsible for your brand or for your personality. From here, choose your channel handle and finally press on Create Channel. Now our YouTube channel has been created, and this is our YouTube channel. To add channel description, tap on this pencil icon. Add description from here. To upload a video, tap on Create. Choose an option from here. Select a video from your device you want to upload and publish it. Further, you have queries. Do comment below the video. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.